Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the personal goals 2 times in events. Basically, there's the fishing, bug catching, and bird watching. I suggest just doing the fishing one because it is the easiest. For the personal goals, you'll only need to catch 5 fishes. So go to the fishing wharf, talk to the guy, talk to Bill, see fishing event, and then initiate fishing and press confirm. Okay, I will need to wait 5 minutes apparently. You can just skip to the bird watching one if you don't want to wait, but if you do want to wait, it is easier because you only need 5 fishes to catch. So I'm just gonna wait because I prefer fishing like over bird catching. Oh nope, bird watching and insect catching. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.